Are you guys hungry? Didn't you eat just 2 hours ago? Do you not care? Are you feeling better? You want more food? Yeah? Yeah? Hey, little man. If I feed you, will you bulk up? Huh? Yeah? Shinobi. Shinobi, get off me. Get down. Get down. I have no idea if I caught that on tape, but you are being about ridiculous. Are you guys going to be like this every 2 hours? Yeah? Okay, here goes.